Make a great choice today with the 2020 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, performance package, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.